Once you install Android Studio, you can open it and check for updates before proceeding. Then we can configure Android Studio. Open up the Android SDK Manager to see what tools, platform versions, and components we have installed. At the time of this recording, the Android L platform is available, but it's still in developer preview mode. That means it's subject to change until the official release. And you can't upload your app to Google Play if it's targeting this L platform version. Hence, we want to use the latest stable platform version, which is KitKat or API level 19. API level 20 is for Android Wear or watches, and not for phones or tablets. Deselect all the other packages and just choose the ones for API level 19. We want the SDK as well as the system images for the emulator. We also want the Android support library for backwards compatibility. For the most up-to-date version of all the packages you need to install, check the link below. Otherwise, continue with installing the packages. Accept the license and then install. Then we can click and create a new project. In the project wizard, we set the app name to be Sunshine. Then we provide a corresponding package name. For distribution purposes, the package name should be globally unique across packages installed on Android. To avoid conflicts, you can use the reverse of the internet domain that you own. This follows the Java package naming conventions. Note that we're also using the com.example namespace for our Sunshine app because it's a sample, but you cannot publish an app on Google Play that uses this namespace. Usually leaving the default package name that's suggested is fine. However, this class was originally filmed with an older version of Android Studio, which added the app module at the end of the package name. So go ahead and make this change now if you want your code to match the rest of the code in the course. Then we choose our project location and we hit Next. Now we need to choose our minimum SDK version. In previous versions of Android Studio, you would also have to select the target SDK. But now the project wizard automatically sets the target SDK to be the latest version. Even though target SDK is already selected for you, it's important to know the distinction between min and target SDK.